Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute the ringtone of our device, we should swipe this volume panel to the left side with our finger. And also we got the second way, just by using our volume buttons here on the right side of the device. Press one or down volume button and click here on these three dots. So once again, and by swipe this volume panel to the down, we can also mute our device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.